Hi there, Chris Hassenberg here from Hassenberg Financial Group with some tax tips of the week. As we get into tax season, nobody wants to be audited by the IRS, of course, and a few things that I want to share with you, some red flags that the IRS actually looks for. First, understand that the chances of audit are very, very small. In fact, less than 1% of individual tax returns are audited. However, that percentage does rise to 2% if you have an income between $500,000 and $1 million, and it goes to 4% chance of being audited if your income is between $1 and $5 million. So, what causes an audit? Well, one of the things that causes one of the red flags is what's called the deviation from the mean, meaning the IRS has a scoring system that it calls the discriminant information function, and it's based on deduction, credit, and exemption norms for people in each of their income tax brackets. And so basically, if in your income bracket you have some odd numbers that show up and you fall outside the norms, that is what will get a little closer scrutiny from the IRS. Second IRS audit trigger is when the business is really a hobby. In fact, taxpayers who repeatedly show losses increase their chances of audit. In order for the IRS not to consider your business a hobby, it needs to have earned a profit in 3 of the last 5 years. Another one is non-reporting of income, a red flag. The IRS receives income information from employers and financial institutions, and people who forget to report that are the ones that get closely looked at by the IRS. In fact, it's a very common thing that if you miss a tax form and it doesn't show up, the IRS does compare this stuff. And so it's important to understand that. And then the last red flag that jumps out is discrepancies between exes. When divorced spouses prepare their income tax returns, the IRS will compare the separate submissions to identify instances where alimony payments are being reported in one return but not being disclosed on another, and so on. So anyway, these are just some tips, some red flags that the IRS looks for. We here at Hassenberg Financial Group do prepare taxes for our clients, and so we're happy to help you out. And if you are not a client and you're watching this and you have questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call, as well as the clients too, at 715-839-6566. We are here to help, and in fact, we appreciate the opportunity to serve you. And as a service to you, we want you to consider us a resource for you and your friends, family, relatives, and coworkers. We are happy to help, and we are willing to help in any way we can. Again, give us a call with any questions you have. As always, be well, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.